Hey everybody, welcome to a new episode of Food and a Single Guy with me, your very own AMARU. Yes, I've been away for a couple of days. Yes, I am back. This flu thought that this flu could kick my ass. But baby, let me tell you, I have proven to be a worthy adversary. I kicked its ass right back. I feel so much better today, and I figured, you know what? Why not upload a couple of videos to the channel? Because I love you. And speaking of you, thanks to you, we are now at the 3,000 subscriber mark. I just wanted to acknowledge that because without you, there is no channel. You know, and while YouTube is not about the numbers for me, I really couldn't let this moment go by without mentioning it. So, from my heart to yours, thank you ever so. Now let's talk food, because on this episode of Food and a Single Guy, I am going to make a green smoothie because I need to regain my strength. This flu thought that he was boss, but I'm the boss. So we're gonna make a green smoothie today, and as for me, I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the information box below the video. So let's get on with it, shall we? Okay, my dear people, now for the ingredients of this delicious green smoothie. What I have here are some white seedless South African grapes. I have some baby spinach right here. I have some broccoli florets, and I'm also gonna use the stalk of the broccoli because this part contains a lot of nutrients. I have half of a cucumber, and as you can see, I have removed the seeds. I always remove the seeds from the cucumber because they generate a lot of fluids. That is not what I like. I have some ginger right here for that extra zing. I have some pineapple right here, and what I'm also going to add to my green smoothie is some of this delicious coconut water because I want to add a touch of the Caribbean to my smoothie. Okay everybody, so to my blender I've added the diced cucumber, the diced broccoli stalks, the ginger is also in there. I've chopped up the broccoli into smaller pieces. I've added the grapes. What I'm going to add next is the coconut water, and then we're going to blitz this to a pulp. Okay, now let's add the coconut water. And you want to add a generous amount, just like so. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, everything is blitzed to a pulp. What we're going to add next is the spinach. Just like so. And we're going to gradually add the spinach, you guys, because you don't want this thing to overflow. Alright, now let's give this another blitz. So now we're going to add the rest of the spinach, and we're going to give it another blitz. And last but not least, we're going to add the pineapple. And of course, we're going to give this another blitz. And now for the final presentation, you guys, we are going to garnish our delicious green smoothie with a piece of mango. Just like so. And because color makes everything a little prettier, we are going to garnish with some pomegranate seeds. Just like so. Now you guys, this thing may look like a science project from one of your kids, but trust me when I tell you, it is thebomb.com. And it's very healthy. Burp. And you can taste the coconut and the pineapple. It gives it almost like a piña colada kind of flavor, if you will. So yeah, and you can also taste the ginger. It is, let me tell you, it is delicious. Your body is going to love this, okay? Let me take another sip. And there you have it, you guys, my green smoothie. And if you decide to try my recipe, let me know how it turned out, because I'm always interested in hearing from you. And can I just say this, it doesn't matter what type of green stuff you add to your green smoothie, because it's your green smoothie, as long as you make sure that the stuff is edible, okay? Because I'm concerned about you. Alright. Now in the meantime, do be well, do take care, happy cooking, happy eating, happy green juicying. That's a new verb. And I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys, and thank you for watching.